nature's realm, where the rivers flow. Bruce cast his line with a gentle glow. From the lakes of Victoria to Tasmania streams, he lived his life chasing dreams. In nature's realm, the waters whisper. Through the reeds and the willows, a fish glimmer. With Debbie by his side, love's true desire. Jenny and Kayla, they light his fire. He tied the tadpole fly with fingers precise, captured nature's beauty through a lens so nice. With each cast and each snap, his passion soared. In the wild's embrace, his spirit roared. In nature's realm, the waters whisper. Through the reeds and the willows, the fish glimmer. With Debbie by his side, love's true desire. Jenny and Kayla, they light his fire. Underneath the willow trees where the willow grubs fall, Bruce found peace, he found it all. In the dance of the chop and the flight of the fly, he found his rebel, reaching for the sky. Photographer rider, a fly fish's king. With every story told, a song to sing. The pot scrubber nymph, the woolly bugger bride. In nature's embrace, he found his life. In nature's realm, the waters whisper. Through the reeds and the willows, the fish glimmer. With Debbie by his side, love's true desire. Jenny and Kayla, they light his fire. In the streams of time, his spirit will flow. In the hearts of his family, love will grow. Debbie, Jenny, and Kayla, forever admire. Bruce's legacy, they light his fire. Underneath the willow trees where the willow grubs fall, Bruce found peace, he found it all. In the dance of the trout and the flight of the fly, he found his rhythm, his spirit.